Have you ever tried uploading a file to ChatGPT and suddenly got the message, upgrade to ChatGPT Plus to attach more files or try again later? You are out of uploads. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix this issue and keep using file uploads without paying for a subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and that save you time and money. So here is the deal. On the free version of ChatGPT, OpenAI gives you a limited number of file uploads per day. Once you hit that limit, you will see the error telling you to upgrade, but the good news is there are easy ways around it, no payment required. Let's go through the fixes one by one. So the fixed one is wait for reset. The free plan upload limit usually resets after 24 hours. So if you don't need it urgently, just wait until tomorrow and the feature will work again. Fix 2 is combine your files. Instead of uploading 5 or 6 files, merge them into one for text. Copy everything into a single Word or PDF file. For images, put them in a zip folder and upload that one file. Fix 3 is paste text directly. If the file is text based, you don't actually need to upload it. Just copy and paste the content straight into the chat. Fix 4 is use cloud storage links. Upload your files to Google Drive or Dropbox, make the link viewable by anyone and then paste the link into ChatGPT. This way you bypass the upload limit. And that's it, 4 simple ways to keep using ChatGPT uploads without spending a single cent. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and check out my other tutorials link on the screen right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.